afternoon, everybody. This is Richard from Vancouver Velocity Cars. Today I'm showing you guys our newly arrived 1999 Subaru Legacy B4. For those of you who are not quite familiar with the B4 model, it's basically a Subaru Legacy, but it is a performance sedan designed for Japanese domestic market during that year. And from the looking of this car, you can see that the front grille, this label right here, it means Legacy. It was the Legacy label for Japanese market. But here we've been using Subaru labels everywhere, right? And right now, right here, you have a B4 to tell you what car it is. And this car has the beautiful looking aftermarket golden rims on it, and you can see the tires are brand new because we need to put these tires as DOT tires according to Canadian vehicle driving regulations. Now this car, the overall looking condition is pretty solid. Black color painting has been protected very well, except for this hood over here. You can see there's a little bit damage because of the sun, but considering about the year 1999, it's pretty good. And one of the biggest shining point for this car is it only has around 69,000 kilometers, which is an accurate original odometer rating. We have been will provide you a correct odometer rating certificate while you look at the car. So without further ado, I'll just hop in the car, start it up, and let you guys hear about it. Got about the key. Here's the key. Got your open and lock, so it's a key fob. Just press the key. I think that. Okay. So on the driver's side window, which is on the right side because it's a Japanese import car, you have your folded mirror button. Just need to push it. All the side mirrors will fold it backwards. A little bit more convenience feature for parking though. The power mirrors, power windows, on the driver's side are automatic up and down, and the window locks. Right here for the seats, both driver and passenger seats, condition is pretty damn well. It looks like a brand new car seats actually. And for the car, well, this way, forward and backwards, it's electrical powered. For tilted, it's manually. And the passenger seat, it's all manually. Adjust it. It's beautiful looking cluster design. Right now it tells you the window is open, and then you close it, the red lights is off. Okay, let's turn on the car. Just put your key inside of it. Because this is B4, you need to put your foot on the clutch all the way down. There you go. It's all started up. 69,208 kilometers, you can see. Right here on the right side, you have your interior lights brightness control. Have 5 levels, and this is the fog lights. You can turn it off or turn it on. And for Japanese vehicle, the turn signal will be on the right side and the wiper control will be on the left side. Right here, you have your hazards, your climate control, including the defroster, and then the air conditioning, fan level control, and all the AC is on, and different modes. You can see you have different modes, right? Yes. And a unique design for the cup holder right here. And there's another cup holder down over here, you can see. Aftermarket shifter. It's a 5-speed manual transmission. equipped with a 4-cylinder 2.0 twin turbo engine, which produces around 276 horsepower. Really fun for drive. Again, this is a Subaru and is equipped, of course, with the Subaru's all-wheel drive system, which is safe for you to drive on the road during the winter season. It's good to have a little car like this with the sporty features. Not too much horsepower, but pretty damn enough for the fast driving, and also it's a 4-wheel drive. Well, let's see the glove box. Have your tools over there, and also here you have your manuals. Even though these manuals, I don't know if you guys can see it clearly, are in Japanese. If you want to see the English version manual, you better download it, the PDF version online. It's all available there. Now let's pop up the hood and check out the condition of the engine, as well as the back seat and trunk. Turbo boxer engine, classic Subaru design, nice and clean, doesn't sound any strange, pretty solid. This vehicle has been fully inspected by BC government. All the fluid and oil has been changed, maintained pretty well. Now let's check out the condition of the back seat. Again, damn good condition. Interiorly, this car looks like a brand new car, actually. Now let's check out the trunk. Down here on the driver's side, you have your trunk release and gas release. Just put it up. This B4 has a huge trunk inside of it in the back. You can at least put 2 large suitcases. Right here on the left side you have your jet, and down there we have the extra room for the storage and a full-size spare tire. Standard feature. Everything is stock in the back. See the B4 label. Two hazard lights and stock exhaust. Sounds pretty nice. So, if you're currently shopping for a 4-wheel drive system and a sporty car during the winter season, please feel free to give us a call at 604-366-0951. 604-366-0951. Once again, my name is Richard, and I would love to show you guys around the car and take you outside for a test drive. Thank you.